This episode of CLPTV is brought to you by Leica Microsystems. Leica Microsystems brings histopathology laboratories and researchers the highest quality, most comprehensive product range. Thanks for tuning in to CLPTV. I'm John Doherty. In today's broadcast, we'll take a look at an update for a clinical trial for a treatment of ALS, patents awarded for vaccines and label-free assays, and find out who landed on Fast Company magazine's list of top biotech companies. But we begin with some promising results for what could be the first non-suppressive HIV drug. Phase 2 results show a promising future for a drug called KP1461. It is a non-suppressive drug developed by Coronis Pharmaceuticals using its new viral decay acceleration drug mechanism. If future trials demonstrate a reduction in the viral population of patients, then VDA would become the first non-suppressive drug mechanism to treat HIV. VDA also means third world countries would have more access to the treatments. Dr. Charles Hicks from Duke University says the results of KP1461 show it is safe and well tolerated by the patients who took the drug, and that the potential for more positive clinical effects is apparent. Researchers from the University of Washington, Stanford University, and MIT collaborated on this trial. For more information, check out the journal PLOS One. Leica Microsystems has introduced Leica Direct, a fast, easy, and secure way to purchase histology consumables and general laboratory supplies online. Tim Lyons is the Global Marketing Communications Director at Leica Microsystems. He says, "We are excited to offer customers a personalized online service for ordering our wide range of consumables. Leica Direct means customers now have 24-hour access, order tracking, recent order history, and flexible account terms. You can start shopping with Leica Direct today at www.leicamicrosystems.com/shop. Phase 1 in the ALS human trials moves forward. The company Neuralstim is looking for ways to treat Lou Gehrig's disease with spinal cord stem cells. This is the first FDA-approved trial using stem cells. The company says it has received unanimous approval to move on to the last group of ALS patients in this part of the safety trial. These patients will receive 10 injections in the lumbar spinal cord. After this is complete, the FDA will review the trial data before giving approval to move on to the final group of patients. This last group will receive injections in the cervical region of the spinal cord. Researchers at Neuralstim have been at work on this since January of last year. A San Diego company earns a patent for a DNA vaccine designed to treat CMV. CMV is a virus often transferred from mother to child during pregnancy. It is the leading infectious disease that causes birth defects in the U.S. It affects the development of the central nervous system and can cause blindness, deafness, and mental retardation. But Vical Incorporated hopes to change that with Simvectin, a prophylactic DNA vaccine that enhances both antibody and T-cell responses. The drug is currently in Phase 1 testing. Right now, there is no approved vaccine against CMV. In other patent news, a Belgium-based company has been awarded a European patent for its innovative Soprano assays. Pharma Diagnostics NV says the Soprano technology enables label-free screening without a dedicated expensive instrument. For the first time, label-free assays can be applied in higher throughput earlier in the drug discovery process. Dr. David Ricketts is the CEO of Pharma Diagnostics. He calls the patent clear recognition of the innovative nature of the Soprano technology. He adds several pharmaceutical companies are already looking at the assays covered by the patent. Surgipath special stains are ideal for pathologists when they need to see beyond the standard H&E stain. Surgipath special stains, in conjunction with the Leica ST5020 multistainer, provide your laboratory with complete solutions for increased diagnostic clarity. The ever-expanding range has the reliability and quality you need to meet pathologists' demands for precise staining. With Surgipath special stains, you can produce the staining consistency that enhances diagnostic confidence and helps deliver better patient care. For more information, visit www.leica-microsystems.com. Fast Company magazine announces its 50 most innovative companies of 2011. And Nova Bay Pharmaceuticals made the top 10. In fact, it ranked the California company 7th in the biotech industry. Nova Bay is a clinical stage biotechnology company that develops anti-infective compounds for the treatment and prevention of antibiotic-resistant infections. The magazine praised Nova Bay for its innovative approach to biotechnology, crediting Nova Bay with antibiotic-like compounds that fight their battles by mimicking the human immune system. For more details, check out the March issue of the magazine. And in Industry People news, we have some new appointments to tell you about. Biotech Instruments has named Charles Amir Mansour as its Canadian Applications and Business Development Manager. He will be responsible for supporting biotech's technical and new business activities with Fisher Scientific Canada. And in Philadelphia, HemispheriX Biopharma announced the appointment of Ronald Ritz as Senior Director of Manufacturing. Ritz served as Senior Director of Technical Operations at Enzon Pharmaceuticals from 2008 until 2010. He was also the Senior Director of Manufacturing Operations from 2005 to 2008. The CEO of HemispheriX says Ritz's depth of experience will be a boon to its commercial and experimental products. This episode of CLPTV is brought to you by Leica Microsystems. And that concludes this episode of CLPTV. We'll see you next time.